The overall goal of this procedure is to estimate and visualize proprioceptive drift in 2D with free selection of the participant's hand position.
This method can help answer key questions in psychophysics, engineering, and rehabilitation field by exploring the method to evaluate the sense of self-body. The main advantage of this technique is to estimate and visualize proprioceptive drift in 2D under the situation where the participant can select their hand locations.
The sense of self is originally discussed in the body rehabilitation research field, but now it's expanded to the engineering in the context of embodiment, such as virtual avatar and the artificial bodies.
Begin by instructing the participant to perform a tapping movement by keeping the heel of their hand in contact with the mirror. Then, start the metronome at a tempo of 60 beats per minute. Instruct the participant to move both hands synchronously according to the sound of the metronome. Ensure that the timing of the participant's hand movements are close to 1 cycle per second by comparing it to the sound of the metronome several minutes after the tapping begins. Begin by mounting a mirror or blackboard on the stand based on the condition. Use a mirror for the visual feedback condition and a blackboard for a counterbalanced condition without visual feedback.